A Paloma is a classic Mexican cocktail that's light, refreshing, and citrusy. It's widely known as Mexico's national cocktail. A good Paloma starts with fresh grapefruit juice. Squeeze the grapefruits, strain, and keep aside. To build your Paloma, moisten the rim of your glass with a lime wedge and dredge it in salt or tajin, my favorite. Add 2 ounces of silver or blanco tequila, 2 ounces of fresh grapefruit juice, add 2 ounces of club soda, or if you prefer, carbonated water, half an ounce of simple syrup, and a 1/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. If your citrus is too tart, you can add extra syrup. Top with ice and garnish with a wedge of grapefruit. If you'd like to batch up for a party, check the description for details. Enjoy!